Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable Face Beauty for WhatsApp video call in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility. And here just select Face Beauty for video call and supported apps will be showing here. If you click on more apps, some other supported apps are showing here. Okay, here we would like to enable Face Beauty for WhatsApp only. So WhatsApp is showing here, and just to turn on this button so that Face Beauty will be enabled for video call. Okay, so in this way we can easily enable Face Beauty for video call, WhatsApp video call in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.